Are you over 40 and worried that AI might make your job obsolete? Especially with surveys showing many older workers facing job search times up to 22 weeks? What if I told you that instead of a threat, AI could be your biggest career advantage by amplifying your experience? Welcome to AI for Beginners Over 40. In this video, we'll demystify artificial intelligence, address concerns about job security and age bias, where 90% of workers over 50 report experiencing it, and show you actionable steps to leverage AI for your career. Losing a job after 50 can be incredibly tough, with Bureau of Labor Statistics data showing median job search durations extending to 22 weeks for those over 55 compared to 12 weeks for under 35. But AI offers a powerful path to stay relevant and valuable in the evolving job market. So what exactly is AI? Think of it as a smart assistant that can analyze vast amounts of data, create content like text or images, and automate repetitive tasks, thereby amplifying your human experience and boosting productivity significantly. The fear of job displacement is real, with McKinsey projecting AI to automate 45% of work activities by 2030 and the World Economic Forum estimating it will displace 85 million jobs but create 97 million new ones by 2025. Age discrimination is another significant challenge, with AARP's 2023 survey indicating 90% of workers aged 50 and above reporting experiencing or witnessing it, and the EOC receiving over 15,000 charges in 2022. AI can help bridge this gap by enhancing your skills. Consider an accountant whose median age is 44 according to industry data. AI tools like QuickBooks AI or Xero can automate audits 70% faster per Deloitte 2023 reports, allowing them to focus on high-value advisory roles that leverage their experience. Or a marketer, averaging 42 years old, using AI and tools like Google Analytics 4 to analyze campaign results, boosting ROI by 15 to 20% as per HubSpot 2024. AI enhances, not replaces, roles requiring judgment, creativity, and years of experience. What's one task in your job you wish you could automate, like data entry or routine reporting? Let me know in the comments below. Your extensive experience combined with AI is a powerful asset that employers value. Now, let's talk about actionable steps to get started with AI. Even if you're a complete beginner over 40, it's easier than you think, with tools designed for everyday professionals like you. Step 1. Start with AI tools you already use every day. Think smart features in your email like Gmail's Smart Compose, which makes emails 30% faster for its 4.5 billion users, or predictive routing in Google Maps that saves time on commutes. Step 2. Explore free AI tools for practical tasks. ChatGPT, with over 180 million users since its 2022 launch, can draft emails, presentation outlines, or even job applications just by giving it a clear prompt. You can also use Google Gemini for multimodal tasks, Microsoft Copilot integrated in Word and Excel for productivity, or even HeyGen AI's free tier to turn text into professional 1080p videos with avatars in minutes. Step 3. Take a free online course to build confidence. Resources like AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera with over 1.5 million enrollments, or Elements of AI from the University of Helsinki with 1 million students, are excellent starting points for beginners. These courses are designed specifically for beginners and can help you grasp key concepts like machine learning for pattern recognition and generative AI for content creation. Many complete the basics in just 4 weeks at 1 hour per week. Remember, the average age of Coursera AI learners is 37, and the over 40 segment grew 35% in 2023 according to their data. It's truly never too late to learn something new and gain a competitive edge. AI is not something to fear. It's a powerful tool to be leveraged for your career growth. Getting started is easier than you think, and your wealth of experience is a huge advantage that AI can amplify. If you're ready to take control of your career and turn uncertainty into opportunity with AI skills that 70% of executives prefer per LinkedIn 2024, hit that subscribe button right now. We're building a community for everyone, especially if you're new to AI for beginners over 40. Join us on this journey to stay ahead in the job market together. Thanks for watching this AI for Beginners Over 40 video. Remember, It's never too late to learn something new and adapt. See you in the next video.